guys, today I'm going to talk about this grounding cord, why I bought it, or even two of them. That's the first part of the video, and the second part of the video will be that I'm going to test them for you so you know if they are really working. So the reason why I bought them is because I bought such a really nice set. That's a grounding set which has two pillow sheets, really nice one, and it came with these grounding cords. And when I tested these grounding cords, I found out that they had pretty much 0 ohm, which is definitely not a good idea, I would say. And that's because we are using these normal grounding openings from 110 volt outlets. Usually they are supposed to be safe to use, but you never know if somebody installs something wrong in your home, and then worst case the ground wire could be connected to a hot wire with 110 volts. So you don't want to connect this or actually the pillow sheets using such a wire totally unprotected. So there's definitely a better solution, and that's a 100k ohm ground wire like that. Now let's take it out here, somehow glossy. So let's see if it fits nicely here. Yeah, I would say decent fit here, goes easily in and out everywhere. But of course the most important test, if it really has around 100k resistance. So I'm using this multimeter. On the other side I connect here. I think we have a decent hold, so I can show you the number here. Yeah, I would say 96,500 or 600 ohm. Yeah, pretty close to the 100k ohms which we need. It's not exactly 100,000 ohm, but it's still on a very good level. The lowest which I would accept would be maybe 50k ohm or so. It would be still okay. So definitely 96k ohm, absolutely no problem. By the way, if you don't know what happens actually with this cable, if you would connect accidentally to 110 volts, it would reduce the current to only around 1 milliamp. Unfortunately, I can't talk here about like risks or medical things, but do your own research. Just search for what 1 milliamp can do at 110 volts, and you will get quite some relief, and you know that's something which you want to use, but definitely not this thing here which doesn't have any resistance or pretty much 0. So we are definitely good with that. Of course we also want to know if this side of the plug or this plug here works for a normal grounded pillow. So I plug it in here and plug the other side to this outlet, and so I'm doing here a full test procedure for this grounded wire. So it's connected with this wire which we are talking about, and so I'm using this grounding test device. We should get a light here. You can see, yeah, really nice light. Yeah, I hope you can see that. Here's the light, goes on and off, exactly how it should be. Can bring that even a little bit closer so you can see that better. So definitely works for me, and so can give you full recommendation, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.